Triangle. 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 This is a triangle. 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 A triangle has 3 sides. Can you say triangle? Square. 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 This is a square. 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 A square has 4 equal sides. Can you say square? Rectangle. 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 This is a rectangle. 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 A rectangle has 4 sides. Can you say rectangle? Circle. 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 This is a circle. 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 A circle is round. Can you say circle? Oval. 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 This is an oval. 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 An oval is long and round. Can you say oval? Star. 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 This is a star. 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 A star has points. Can you say star? Pentagon. 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 This is a pentagon. 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 A pentagon has 5 sides. Can you say pentagon? Heart. 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 This is a heart. 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 A heart is lovely. Can you say heart? Diamond. 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 This is a diamond. 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 A diamond has 4 corners. Can you say diamond?